I am so excited about this. This is an Oriole feeder. I just got it this morning. I just got it this morning from Amazon and it didn't break, thank goodness. So this is, I cannot believe I did that. So the frame is metal, the hook is metal, this part is plastic, the dish is glass. So I'm thinking this is gonna be super easy to take care of because the glass and the metal can go in the dishwasher. So these two posts here are where you can put slices of orange or half of an orange. I have grape jelly in there because that's what they want. And I am so excited. I am keeping my fingers crossed that I get a Baltimore Oriole. It's one of those things that everybody wants in their yard, and I have never even seen one in my yard, so I would absolutely love it. However, I did have a friend who found a nest in her yard, and that would be amazing. So this is the Oriole feeder I just got. It's super easy to put together. You didn't need any tools. These two things here, you know, they just slid in super easy. And then this piece was separate, and you just hang it on there and then hang it on your shepherd's hook. So I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed.